In today's video, we're going to be looking at how margin calls really work and explaining this simply in a step-by-step manner. Now, most traders don't blow their accounts up simply because of bad trades. They blow their accounts up because they do not correctly understand margin calls, as a margin call is one of the most important things to understand before using any type of leverage, because if you don't understand it, your broker can automatically close your trades and you can lose your money very, very quickly. So in this video, I'm going to explain exactly what a margin call is, how they work, and most crucially, how you can avoid one. If you do learn something or find the video useful, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a like to see more finance related explainer videos. Now let's start off by simply understanding what is margin. Before we understand what a margin call is, we need to understand margin itself. Margin is simply borrowed money from your broker that allows you to open larger trades than your account balance. For example, if you have $1,000 and you use 10x leverage, you can effectively open a $10,000 trade. In this instance, you're controlling a much larger position with a small amount of capital. This can increase potential profits, but it also massively increases potential risk, and this is something to be completely aware of. Now, going into what a margin call is more specifically. A margin call can happen when your account balance falls too much and you no longer have enough money to support your open trades. When this happens, the broker basically says you don't have enough money to keep this trade open anymore. So they usually do one of two things. They can ask you for more money, or they can automatically close your trades. And in most instances, the broker will simply just close your trades automatically. The reason why they do this is to protect the money that they have lent to you. A simple example is this. Let's say we have $1,000 and we're using 10 times leverage. We will be opening a trade for $10,000. If the trade moves down 10%, you would lose $1,000. Your account in this instance would be basically empty. Because whilst the trade may have not reached zero, a margin call will have been triggered, and you will have your position effectively closed, because that 10% would equate in this instance to your initial investment's value. And this is why most people lose money very quickly when using leverage, because the risk is massively elevated and small percentage moves can create rather large losses in a relatively short period of time. Now here are some very important points, as these are going to be the terms that you must understand when it comes to understanding margin, leverage, and most crucially margin calls. Now these terms include things like balance. Your balance is simply your account money, how much is in your account. Now your equity is your balance plus your profit/loss from open trades. Your used margin is money locked in trades. Your free margin is money available to open new trades. And then we have margin level. This is the important one because margin level is usually equity divided by margin times by 100. Now if your margin level ever falls too low, you're going to get what's called a margin call. Many brokers have a margin call at 100% and potentially a stop out at 50%, although this can of course vary. This would mean that they'd start closing your trades automatically in this instance. So here's why margin calls actually happen. They usually happen because of too much leverage. People trading maybe at 500 times or 100 times. It doesn't take a large move to wipe out significant amounts of capital when using very high leverage. Then we have people opening trades that are too large and not accounting for the potential risk. A big thing is also not using stop losses. Stop losses can protect you very much in this instance because if a trade starts to move down in an unfavorable direction, and you do not have a stop loss, it can effectively run on losing money for a considerably longer time. Then you've got over trading, people simply just trading too much, always looking to make more money, but often not holding ideal trades, resulting in them losing money. Another big one is people holding losing trades too long. Now, of course, you must manage your own risk to your own degree. However, many people hold a trade that's going down in the hopes that the trend will reverse and they'll be able to become profitable again. In many instances, this does not happen and the trade continues to lose money for them until they eventually get stopped out on a margin call. Then we need to understand the fact that most traders do not understand risk management properly, and that's why many people lose in terms of margin and leverage trading. If you're not managing your risk properly, if you're not understanding terms like leverage, and generally the strategy that you have, it would not take a large move and a small or a large loss to have potentially catastrophic effects for your account. Most beginners are too focused on profits. However, professional traders are focused more on not getting margin called, and this is a massive distinction which sets the two categories apart. So how do you avoid margin calls? Now, to avoid margin calls, you should do a few things. The first thing to consider is using lower leverage. Again, the lower the rate of leverage, it is true that the returns and the upside could be lower, but it also reduces risk to the downside. And if you are in risky trades or trades which are not properly leveraged or not properly thought out, it could be very easy to lose a significant amount of money. Then there's the concept of risking just 1 to 2% per trade. It also makes sense to often use stop losses. Stop losses are very protective for this reason. It also makes a lot of sense to not open too many trades at once and keep free margin available. And most crucially, you must manage risk appropriately. Trading is not always about winning big. Trading is a game of surviving long enough to win consistently, even if the numbers seem small. So in conclusion, if there's one thing that I'd like you to remember from this video, it's this. Leverage does not just increase your profits. Leverage increases how much you can lose and how fast you can lose everything. And as a beginner, most traders don't lose because of bad strategies. They lose because of a bad approach when it comes to understanding margin and margin calls. So before you use leverage in any way, it's important to understand this element properly, as it really is one of those things which can make or break a trader's strategy. So that's really all for this video. If you did learn anything, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you, and goodbye for now.